Due to the various different arrangements of emission control systems that have been introduced and the changes that have occurred over the years, it is not possible to provide a straightforward removal procedure to suit all installations. The moss orders arrived. Fragile. Huh. That must be Italian. Oh boy, just like Christmas. Just like Christmas. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's see what we've got. Steering rack boots. Pipe set. Wheel cylinder. Another wheel cylinder. So we've got cable throttle cable. It's a little short. Choke cable. OEM style. With the hood release cable. With the two sides. These are the tie rod ends. Premium performance brake lines. Heater box tube. This is that foil material. And it's got like a paper liner to it. Interesting. A little bendy. Be careful with it. Three wiper blades. Here's the dual hood strut kit. Get rid of the old one-sided hood lift. The clutch kit. We've got a brake master cylinder. The gearbox gaskets hiding in there. We've got the fuel line that goes across the top of the transmission tunnel. Look at that. Got a little E-clip hiding in the bottom of the box. Always check the box to make sure that you get all the hardware that's potentially fallen out. I'm not exactly sure where this E-clip goes, but it's important. Front brake kit with discs. brake lines. Oh boy. Look at all this stuff. It's all got to be installed. Alright, got crank gear shim, very thin. Some hood buffers. Mags are missing. Ooh, very important. Brake pedal. Guy. Hood buffer side. We've got one of these. We seem to be missing one. And there's its match. So now we've got two new ones of those. Lock tabs for the steering arms. Some screws, fan head. We can't have enough. And lock washers and nuts to go with those. A couple little bits of hose. Clutch alignment tool. Ground strap. Second ground strap. Engine mount. Another engine mount. And a fuel line nipple. And fuel line union. Oil seal, some fuel pipe clips, this is the bracket for the heater hose, and the hood buffer. I end up with 3 of those, maybe one of them's for the trunk. Pedal box gasket. If it's in reasonable shape. Axle check strap. ×2. It's a timing belt tensioner. Timing chain. Another pedal box gasket. Links. ×2 sway bar links. Accelerator pedal. Timing cover oil seal. Rear transmission oil seal. Never can have enough hose clamps. 4 hose clamps. Sway bar locators. There's a trunk lid buffer. I must have ordered 3 buffers by accident. A roll of harness tape. I have to admit, this is smaller than I thought it was going to be. Here's a front fender mounting kit. We don't need to mount the front fender, but it's always nice to have extra hardware. Another hood buffer. I must have doubled up my order somehow on that one. sway bar bushings, clutch pedal, got an oil pressure switch, and I think this just says switch. I think it's thermostat, maybe? Let's see. Is that brake switch? It's not a T. What is that? I guess that... just says switch. I know I ordered a bunch of switches. That could be the brake pressure switch. Oil pressure switch. Sway bar brackets. Timing chain. Washers. Tab washers for the brake, and actually another one of these arrived that was back ordered and came from a different place. It's around here somewhere. I think it's over there. Some more little mini clamps. Another piece of fuel line hose. Shock absorber dampers. Cylinder head studs. We can finally put the engine back together. Temperature sender. And a bunch of little LED dash lights. Belt for the dipstick. Little steering pinion shim. I think I needed that, but oh well, I guess it was in there. Another little tiny piece of hose. Fuel pipe clips again. I think I just clicked the whole fuel system and said, give it all to me. This is the brake light switch here. I don't know, maybe that's the reverse switch. Nuts. Transmission mount. Transmission mount. Hood buffers, I guess, again. That I had ordered. Okay. Little three-way brake union. See that PFWS seal kit. PDWA seal kit. Gearbox O-ring. That's everything I've got in here. Wow. Exciting. Time to get to work.